This is mommy. She always complains. How come you want to look at the camera? My mother always complaining about everything. Mommy, speak your language.
No way.
No, come on, speak.
No way, Jose.
Mommy, speak. No. What is Judelet? No, mommy, speak Bicolana. I want to know what. I want to have example of how Bicols talk.
Pokemon. Malaki.
That's not Bicolana. Speak Bicolana. Whatever you guys.
Kind of.
You know how Daddy is Ilocano, so we speak Ilocano.
I don't know what.
What do you speak? What do you speak in your place?
Chong.
No, mommy, bro. Do you speak Bisaya, mommy?
Waray, opay, gida.
That's Bisaya.
That's Bisaya.
So you just speak Bisaya. Same.
Dugay ka na din eh.
What the hell is that? You speak. Mommy, you sound Chinese. And then Daddy, I don't know, he sounds weird. Hindi nga nang tuyong, wala kang tisi.
Ano kaya?
Wala kang tisi. Pinam. That's what Daddy says. I don't know. Now am I more? I'm not supposed to record you. And all you're doing is looking somewhere else, and the camera's right here in your face. I should record on your phone.
For what?
It's just a camera, mommy.
Nasayang mo lang ang camera dyan.
I have one memory. You're weird.
Hindi mo yun, di man malabas ka po lang.
Mom, shut up. Always talking shit. See, that's just so evil. I think people are scared of you. They don't want to say hi because they think you might cuss them out. You're scary. All my friends are scared of you. They don't even like going inside the house because they're scared they might see you and you gotta yell at them, so they stay outside. You know that?
Don't go to the house.
You're mean. They're like, Alma, I'll wait outside. They're like, why? Because your mom's inside the house.
Mga friends mo, ano ba?
They're scared of you. Because they're like, because they've seen how you can get mad, you yell, and you don't care. Yeah.
Ang gagawa mo.
Nothing. We're just kicking it outside and you get mad. Annoying ass. Sabi, muta ka.